The day of the accident, I was in the right lane. When the light changed, the driver to my left decided to make a right turn and crashed into the side of my car. Once the impact took place, the Nexar dash cam automatically saved a clip. There was irrefutable proof that I was not at fault. My name is Walter Hurdle. I live in Crown Heights, Brooklyn, New York, and I'm an Uber driver and Lyft driver. Because I had the Nexar dash cam, I was able to prove that the other vehicle was 100% at fault, and I was able to get full reimbursement from the insurance company for my repairs. I would recommend any Uber or Lyft driver to get a Nexar dash cam. It makes me feel safer and secure in my vehicle, as there are times when passengers are having a bad day, they're disgruntled. The Nexar dash cam has the ability to record inside and outside the vehicle. One of the beauties is that if there's an incident, it automatically saves the footage to the phone and to the cloud without you manually having to save the footage. The Nexar dash cam is definitely a means by which we can protect ourselves, because a picture says 1,000 words, a video actually says 1,000,000.
Let's talk about a poll that we put up a little bit ago, 4 days, and it's about our dash cameras. So drivers, this is a fantastic number, but it's not at the same time, because the emails that Sergio gets, it's 1 out of 10. So this is a kind of close to half, but it needs to really be 95 to 100% in people who have dash cameras.
I'm surprised with this number, actually. I really am. Pleasantly surprised, I mean. I didn't expect 44. I expected like 20. So, yeah.
Well, yeah, I mean, after the numbers that you get from the emails, I mean, it makes sense, but yeah, I guess the reality is, if you're a good driver, hey, you're going to get a dash camera.
Great that almost half of you, a little bit less than half of you have dash cams. And I sent you an email like last hour. Did you put those videos up?
Wasn't it the same?
No. Well, I sent you forwarded you 2 videos.
I thought they were the same video.
Well, you can show either one. We will show you. Are we going to show one? Either one?
Yeah, give me a second.
Okay.
I'll
So
get
while
it
I'm
up.
talking, if you're driving 10 hours, 20 hours, like that driver, 78 hours, you need a dash cam. Number 1. Okay. No ifs, no buts.
Okay.
Damn it. What to say on the upper left-hand corner? Nexar. Okay, so the other one actually, Chris, shows the actual accident from the forward-facing, the way the accident happened. It was a weird accident. And if you can load it up. We'll wait like a minute. But yeah, man, accidents, you don't know when it's going to happen. And one last thing about this is, as you guys know, Nexar is our sponsor, was our sponsor. I have the camera. I installed it. Actually, tomorrow when I do trips, I'm going to use it. Chris has it. We still have a deal with them. If you go to Nexar, getnexar.com, use RSG Nexar, you get more of a discount. Look at this accident. Look at this. Guy's minding his own business. Watch that white car.
Okay.
Damn it. Can you show it again? Because but look what happens. I mean, this is like a freak of an accident. Watch that white car.
Okay.
Damn it. Why do you need a dash cam? That's why you need a dash cam.
Man, I give that driver props, because I would have been going up and down that mother effer like much more than just damn it.
Yeah, he held his shit together, bro. Because the other thing is, you see there's like a double yellow in the middle. So the car is coming. He couldn't get out of the way. If he goes there's cars coming, straight ahead. So he didn't go into the other lane. He tried. He went as far left as he could. But he sent it to me. So No, I think the road was a little slippery. It looked like kind of wet, and that car was way over speed and lost control, and shit happened. So you need a dash cam, and if you need, you know, one of the best ones that I know of is Nexar. Please go get nexar.com. But I'm very pleasantly surprised with that 44%. So that means 46% still don't have dash cam. Please go get it. Please do it.
Yeah, exactly. So definitely need one. I mean, crazy shit like that happens and you have no idea. And you know, how many times have we seen something where it talks about a dash camera, that people get a dash camera after the fact, you know, after something happens. No, you need to be proactive and get it before something happens, so you have it on film. You know, with me, it was the same exact way. The reason why I got a dash camera was because of a couple of rides that happened. You know, it was just some weird, crazy situations and things like that that was going on. And so that's why I decided to get one. And, you know, long time ago, best decision I ever made. And, you know, had one ever since.
Yeah, that's, you know, but yeah, you need a dash cam. I mean, now he has proof. And he happened, actually, the accident happened like a week after he got his Nexar and installed it. Because you notice the Nexar on the upper left-hand corner there?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So go get it.
Yep. Get a dash camera, whether it's Nexar or something else, get a dash camera. Just be protected. Protect yourself.
Please get it. Yeah.
So many issues out there.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.